Today I choose to pray Sakate this day, October 6th, Monday, 2025. Let's see what we got for the collective. This is what we're actively doing. You're getting burnt out, tired of fighting the good fight against all these people. I mean, fighting and having constant fighting with people, just constantly. Why is that? We are being very immature and focusing on the juvenile aspect of the situation. Take yourself out of it, okay? If you don't take yourself out of it, you're going to get burnt out and want to give up. That's why we actively want to burn out. You're burning out as we speak, okay? What's going to be the outcome if we continue on this path? Things are changing whether we like it or not, so you have to accept the change. So, you're getting burnt out big time because of the constant fighting, the constant negativity. Because you're focusing on the negative, the juvenile aspect. Think of the bigger picture. Take yourself out of it, okay? Change is coming.